This is gonna work out real quick. Which one? Which one? Which one? Oh, ghost gobble garbage? No, 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 we're not doing that again. Here we go. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Oh, I think some kind of monkey talking. The purple monkey. He's really loud. I don't get it. Okay, this is what I did. Click a ladder and then this is a short song. That was it. Why is it so loud? Yeah, that's right. I know it's from some kind of... I know it's not just mine. Oh, some kind of video just did that. The what, JJ? The jet plane? You gotta be kidding me. That show wasn't that bad. Oh no. I'm hearing this again one more time? Fine, I'll get it again. But no, I don't want to do it anymore. You could... The only option is just to watch it. Just the old streamlines. That's all. It's... And then... This is just my favorite one, G. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. I had enough for hearing this. Oh, what shall we do next? That again? Oh, no. Ow. What? The horse is moving. Come on already, my video. What? Oh no, oh no. Ow. Why is the horse moving? Oh no. Oh no, oh no. That's not... Oh great, not you, Mimpi. He just got scared. That's just all another part altogether. Don't do it. Don't do it, kiddo. Don't. Oh my god. How come it's... Oh dear, just go into a blank screen. Oh no. Oh no. That's the intro. He said you're grounded to him. I don't get it. Right? No, it ain't. Apologize to them. Oh, he's so furious at him. Oh my goodness. Ah, no. That was so. Oh my goodness. No. Why'd you do this? Oh no. Oh no. Christmas. The sound's back. Oh no, you don't. Oh, careful. Ah. Oh no. I know, Mimpi, I started early, right? We just went through this already. Good afternoon. Oh, it lands there first. I like this. Who's first? Ow, 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 ow. Why did it last? Oh, you again? You just scared him. It turns out to be a blank screen after that. Just with the characters. Ugh, what kind of bit is this? I don't like that. Oh my goodness, where's another stage? But hey, I thought I just... This is different. I know, game. I know. I guess Oscar will be next, to be honest. Because I wanted it too much. No, not another cat, dude. No. Let me collect something else. I get it. I missed it. Another one. More than... Where are you? But, where's Oscar? He made it into a blank screen. Not again. Turn it off. Yes! I need that. Just what I needed. Woohoo! Just what I needed. There he is. Why are you twitching? Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. Why do I put go wash in? Why? What's the difference? With... Oh my gosh. I want to slide now. More. Okay. If he just says EE one more time, will this repeat if nonsense? I have to go with you again. I just should have asked for mice instead of them. It's gone. Where is he at? Oh goodness. Oh, you again. Sorry, Brayson. Regret it. I can't come back to the stage for now. Whew. It's just a frog. bullfrog thing. Why? Forever? No, you gotta be kidding me. This is basically the go animate sentence non-stop. I know. Ah, I can't get there. This is the trickiest part of me doing it. And it's okay, there's another parrot. I want more than that. Especially for one of them, I can't pass through this. Like, it doesn't let me. In other words, let me, but it doesn't. I don't know when that happened. Oh dear. Ah, there you are. Fly away now. Yes, I want this. I totally want this. Thank you. I don't have to start over with the run over the mice or something. Maybe I could keep going. Okay. Basically 16 seconds. 60. Try and jump over these. Don't collect them. I tried though. It'll be hard. Okay, then good. Try doing all the without collecting gold ones. It'd be tricky. No, and no for hedgehogs. Oh, I thank you. I already quit from that stage. Whew. We're gonna do that again. Oh no, this is just 15 in there. I'm gonna have to skip the rest. Oh, it's due to me cleaning a bunch of items from there. Now, no more presents. How many times I really hear this? Fly away? Oh, you think he's a bird? Oh, I have 55 of them. Good. More than a cat loop. I had like hundreds months until you have to erase it all out in this game, which made me very upset. Which is just 2 months ahead though. October. Yes! Let's do this again. Oh my goodness. Why are we opening to Hometown Mario? No. 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 I already made it clear, but why is it so short? I don't know why. Oh, like this one too. Oh, that was a ceiling fan. That was a whole minute. Why? Go wash? But what does it mean? Exactly. So I don't know it. Oh my god. When will he stop saying all this nonsense once? So annoying. Oof, change something else. Oh man. Well, that was just early, like you always accepted this for like a few times in a row. Heh. So good? Why? Fly away now, but why? Oh no. Heh. Oh wow. A little more than what ended. Why? Why he did that? Bye-bye. I'm gonna go to Puzzle and Dragons now, so don't even think about it this week. Even next week, even the last day of school's here up to us. I want to pause due to all this dungeon nonsense there. Hopefully you have enough time to see the green one. Hopefully it's that again. And nobody should defeat it early, otherwise them will make me disappointed. I wanted to use the sleeping powder. That's my favorite flower dragon. I actually remember this from Puzzle and Dragon Z the moment I play it. It runs away too, just like this, for example. Or he uses status barrier in Puzzle Dragon Z. That must be the second one of the skill. Oh my goodness. So long, both of you. That's going to be the greatest damage ever. Oh yeah! You are right here! Hey, careful! I said this when we made it clear, but I guess a little more than that. But it won't be too much, I swear. Beautiful. You got strong enough? Okay, that's enough to that. Yeah. It should be good enough. Yup. Definitely. And I tried to manage to do it like this, and this always happened. No matter what. But why? I can't stop staring at it. Ooh. Another one of this. Please be patient. I know it's gonna take. Right now, it's just not long. Wow, how did he appear out of nowhere when he just said, oh my gosh. The heck? What else am I going to watch? Brody, I want us XP. I guess so. Remember him. He's annoying too. Yeah, definitely. Something like a macaw experience into that bird. But why? I can't believe it. Unbelievable. It works on Windows XP besides Windows 10. It just gives me an error. That's right. It doesn't work. Oh, but you already know about me in this moment. Wait, alright. What was this? Oh, come on. Yeah, I know. Look how it is. He just did the long intro. He did a long intro that took like a minute. Finally, of course, I was like, it takes like the whole entire video for him to. Okay, there you go. Now we are Odie Prody around. We are. You called me. You told me I'm being childish, Prody. No, and you call me that. I refuse to put you down. Let me do my job that I like to drag you around, just like with the other pets too, but it'd be different. You don't like this. I dragged you the wrong time. Oh dear, she's doing it first. Ha! Let me do it again one more time if you don't mind. But Molly. Okay, there you go now. She accepts it. Exactly. I had it? That's enough? Oh, it's fun. No. Solid ground at last. That's for you, Brody. Ah. What do you mean that's enough? The command list is right there. Yes, solid ground at last. You didn't sit around for a while. You had it? Oh, now I flew away. Good for you. That's the final part of the video. That was funny. Oh my god. And for that, probably was flew out of here. And that was it. That was all. And then I stopped recording again. That was the last of it. Ooh. You know where you're going. Okay, I think we're already here. Here. I think we're already here. No matter what. Why can't it fly? Today we will. Oh my god! Off to the other side instead of exactly at the top. Go for that thing. Go for it. Go for it. It wants to go the other way. And that's funny. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, game. I'm serious. You just have to fly things off like that. Please be on your best behavior. My channel is full of random content, bro. My channel is full of random content, too. I like it. It's fun to watch. Please. Oh, it's like fun to watch. That's why I won't do it every day. We're already here.